Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Bixby Vision for accessibility in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our Bixby Vision options, our accessibility options? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility menu here, and at the top we have our spoken assistants. And here it is, Bixby Vision for accessibility. When we open it here and we enable it, we have a few options that we can change, of course, if we need to. As you can see, scene describer, object identifier, text reader, color detector. So we can customize it a bit. We can pick and choose what we want here. And that's it, no need to save, just back out. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.